Tesla's Q2 2020 earnings. How's it going, everyone? This is Tesla Savvy. Today we are talking about Tesla's surprising, but not really surprising, Q2 2020 earnings. If you are new to the channel, it is my pleasure. And if you're not, welcome back. Please do consider liking and subscribing if today's content was enjoyable and informative. Also, I would like to congratulate every stock investor. Tesla hit $1,208. So congrats and happy 4th of July. Now, without further ado, Tesla's Q2 earnings. This may come to a surprise to some of you. When I mean some of you, I mean Wall Street. Cough, cough, cough. Tesla has released its second quarter vehicle production and delivery report, posting a total production of, wait for it, 82,272, and total deliveries of 90,650. This is a remarkable accomplishment, just phenomenal. Even while the main factory at Fremont was shut down for much of the quarter, and also due to the global pandemic. And let's not forget about the huge beef Tesla had with a certain county. Not gonna mention any names. As well, to top it off, while other companies in the US were being open, Tesla remained closed. Wow, just wow. And no, these are not my opinions. These are facts. After all the curveballs that life threw to them, they have exceeded / crushed the Wall Street estimate of 72,000 deliveries. Now keep that in mind while we continue on. Now let's take a step back and compare last year's numbers to this year's numbers. Now before we do that, Elon Musk once stated that a 50% compound year-over-year growth rate in vehicle production will be possible in the upcoming decade. Now, he also went on to saying that it's likely, though he did added, it's possible that it's 40%. He will be very shocked if it's less than 40%. And let's say that it's 40%. That would mean that the company will be making 14.46 million vehicles a year worldwide by 2030. Now let that sink in for a little bit. 14.46 million vehicles. Wow, just wow. But knowing Elon, it probably might even be 50 million. Now, here are the facts of Q2 earnings, and I hope you are not asleep behind the wheel. Let's get straight into it. Q1 2019 and Q1 2020. Let's compare notes and see the growth. On screen is the Q1 2020 report. Let's take a look at the operational summary. Highlighted in light pink, we can see Q1 2019 report and Q2 2020 production and delivery totals. The production side of things for models S and X for Q1 2019 were 14,163. Models 3 and Y were 62,975 for a grand total of 77,138. Now, on the delivery side of things, highlighted in light blue, we can see the models S and X were 12,091 and models 3 and Y were 50,928. And again, for a grand total of 63,019. Now, just on deliveries, just wow. I hope you see the trend happening here. Now, let's keep moving on. For 2020 Q1, the production for models S and X were 15,390. Models 3 and Y were 87,282 for a grand total of 102,672. On to the deliveries. Models S and X were 12,230 and models 3 and Y were 76,266 for a grand total of 88,496. Fun fact, believe it or not, Q1 2020 was the first time in history that Tesla achieved a positive GAAP net income. Despite global operational challenges, they were able to achieve their best first quarter for both production and deliveries. Yes, you heard that right. A positive GAAP net income. Now let's continue on with the hype. Q2 2020. The moment we have all been waiting for. You can follow along on screen, but if you're driving, just listen. Models S and X for production were 6,326. Models 3 and Y were 75,946 for a grand total of 82,272. Compared to Q2 2019 for a grand total of 87,048. Now that will be about a 5.4 decrease. But wait, Tesla Savvy, why do you sound so excited? It's a decrease in percentage. Just keep watching. Moving on to deliveries for Q2 2020. Models S and X were 10,600. Models 3 and Y were 80,050 for a grand total of 90,650 compared to Q2 2019 for a grand total of 95,356, a decrease of 5%. But wait, isn't a decrease a bad thing? No. Tesla, even with the global pandemic and Fremont being shut down for about 7 weeks, still managed to exceed expectations. Well, I'm sorry to say this, but so long, Ford, GM, and FCA. Now, why do I say that? I'm sure you guys can see it. The decrease on their percentage. Ford was about 33%, GM was 34%, and FCA 39%. Chrysler Automobiles, just in case you guys don't know. So that 5% decrease on the Tesla side, basically nothing compared to everybody else. Now that we have seen Tesla's actual Q2 2020 production and delivery numbers, the next thing Tesla bears and bulls turn their attention to is trying to determine what the financial impact will look and will Tesla make any money. Literally, there is a Twitter account just to trash talk Tesla. Take a look at this photo. It is their Twitter name is called Tesla Q. Yes, there is a Porsche being charged, quote unquote. There are so many good examples of people trying to see Tesla fail. My mind is just blank. There's really nothing for me to tell them or to say to them, but just prove them wrong, Elon. Please just prove them wrong. There's a lot of short sellers just everywhere as well. Just prove them wrong so that later on they can be memes for our future kids. Now, these are again not my opinions. These are facts, concrete facts. Oh my goodness. I just I just can't stop laughing of these short sellers. I swear. Like time after time after time, Elon has executed on his master plan. Not only the first master plan, but he is executing on master plan part duh, which I did make a video about. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link down below. I swear, like before you know it, 2030, 14.46 million cars. Wow, just wow. There's literally no question at the end of this video. Sorry, guys. Just think, rationalize, and decide. This is Tesla Savvy. Thank you for joining me today. If you're still here, you are one awesome individual, and I thank you. Thank you for the continued support. Please do consider liking and subscribing. It will help out the channel a lot. And as always, you have a blessed day. See ya. Who wears short shorts? Elon Musk wears short shorts. Yes, yes, yes. He decided to do some trolling towards Tesla's dedicated short sellers, as well as the Securities and Exchange Commission. Tesla will be making fabulous short shorts. Now, the description of Tesla's short shorts is as follows. You can find this at Tesla's shop. Celebrate summer with Tesla short shorts. Run like the wind or entertain like Liberace with our red, satin, and gold trim design. Relax poolside or lounge indoors year-round with our limited edition Tesla short shorts, featuring our signature Tesla logo in the front with sexy across the back. Oh yeah, believe it. These shorts are very sexy. And yes, they have been sold out. Wow, just wow. He also noted that Tesla would be sending some of the short shorts to the short seller enrichment commission to comfort them through these difficult times. Elon, you're amazing, bro. I tell you, you are one amazing dude. What more can we want? And enjoy exceptional comfort from the closing bell. From the closing bell? What could that possibly mean? Here's my prediction. Q2 earnings, the financial side, will amaze a lot of people, especially these so-called short sellers. So, what else can we do but to wait and see the amazing news? Wait, what is that? No way. Yes, yes. Elon, Tesla Kila? No way, bro. No way. He is releasing shorts after the Q2 2020 earnings and some Tesla Kila. Oh boy. We know what that means. Stay tuned.